A COVID time.
Yes, a COVID.
You see me?
Front a cell in a COVID. You tell me to go to go. Front a cell now.
You must see it a cell.
Man, if I never want boy me rate, man. Pop your neck in here. I'll feel you back there.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
How wet the jungle dunga bunga dunga one? Blaze Dan, I'm a lot of place, you know. I'm the best comedy.
Almighty push.
What's up, guys? It's a boy Blaze Dan, and you know, so we're there with that epic prank. But watch you know, I go prank Stiff Press and tell her, say, yo, go dance, go. Which one on the brave to do that? Which one on the brave to do that? Me know no bad saying. Watch you know. You know, make sure no smash up the like button, share, subscribe, and click the bell. You see me? Come here, actually, you think I received my life yesterday, no brother. So you do the do and stay tuned for more prank. Come here, consider this. That's important. You see me?
What kind of thing important?
Alright. Watch out. Watch you know. Me see like other man are telling their friend to do this. You see me? So I don't know, it's like them take up this dancing thing, you see me? You don't like dancing?
Yeah, of course. You see dance like long again, you see Corona come take over and we can right now for me waistline them seize up. Watch you dance again.
But your waistline, no matter if your waistline seize up. This one you still can't do it all when your waistline seize up.
Dance?
Well, that me did want to tell you. Watch you know.
What?
You wanna dance go like
dance, you must have face. I don't watch people dirty clothes and what do. I don't know go.
no, I mean dance, dance
can't
make money and make it brave.
I can't bother with that. That's not my job. Other people's job that. My job, I really rather fit go watch dirty clothes. I don't know. You must have mad. I can't imagine me what day. So much money enough for me one night. No.
So I mean, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, brother.
Nothing wrong with that.
Money I make it up.
No, I not do it.
I just
I just really call me and tell me about this. See me there, do one bag of work here, they call me and tell me about dance. I not dance now, go. Tell me no go, because I not dance no go. You really encourage me if you go to dance.
So you not dance go?
No. You mad? That I run here. If I run here yard, me dance for the pole. If me have a man, me dance see me.
What that mean?
Me nice lingerie, me can dance tonight for the pole. Me not have to dance. Me not have to do that.
Wait, how will you buy that?
Me buy what? When me want dance, me not dance. That is a see there.
That's why I tell you can't do it. You see me? Because you have everything them.
Have what? One of this and me had two of them me have. What me had one black out? What me had do? But I better grow back around this, okay? You know talk sensible, you know?
You see when you make your money?
Make money, bra, fish money. So me look how sex hot. And if you go sex and come in, you gonna brave me money, you must have mad. No, youth. So me that go freak and come in with money for man. Stop talking. How you do? I must do that at or something. I must turn that or something.
I don't suggest me there, suggest you
don't have no sense.
But you can't know in a COVID time you know anything hard, you see me?
You don't fix this up on the laptop.
Laptop on oh, watch you know, a COVID.
No man, watch you know, tell me foolish.
A COVID time.
Yes, a COVID.
You see me?
Front a cell in a COVID? You tell me to go. Front a cell now?
You must see it a cell.
Man, them people want to buy.
Yo, if the man them want charge all the $10,000 we are looking.
No, go so. Cause front now, people now buy front more than sell. I know that's a thing. I tell you, front now sell no. No front, no kind of front a sell. Nobody a buy front now. You never tell, he encourage me, I go tell me if you go do that.
You must see me go, yo, look how much time you buy.
You say if you never want to borrow me rate. If you never want to borrow me rate, man. Pop your neck in here. I'll feel you back there. Me?
What is it?
Stop. No, they tell us if me never rate as a way you said to me, I must joke at me, because I pop your neck through this. And then me if you go dance that. Tell me the foolish man, they tell me snake. They tell me if you go take up one yamil, one fork, or something, or me. You know so me, you know see how much clothes me wash? Me go wash people dirty clothes. Me get me dollar. You're mad.
Let's say I move.
Oh you mean? Me not do that foolish.
You can't be serious, just check me a little bit, yo.
Me say me that fling you through back now. You think I joke?
Oh god. But yeah, what you know? Is that a little joke? Me there run silver.
What kind of joke? What kind of joke you run? You not run no joke, man, because you're serious as a judge. I tell me that. If you did a run joke, you did laugh and I tell me say, do this or whatever. You remember every video with that do run and say anything that kiss. Go, you say, you not kiss me when we start dancing.
I must know that buzz that.
I feel after that, they are like that. You don't know.
What you know?
One man smart right now. Think more crystal.
What you know? It's a prank, you know?
Shama, which one you prank me?
It's a prank, you know?
You not prank me nothing, dog. I lie here to about prank. Let me see camera, That prank can't prank me, Sham. That no go up in
No upload it. Me upload it, man.
No upload it.
What me not upload it?
Me have to say wash up. But me a look which part you put it. Me not see no way. Fi say.
Say you dance over for you?
No, me not do it, dog.
Time tough enough, brother.
Me not do it. Me be hungry. Me not do it. Where ask me say Sham fi do? Me fi go really do that.
Say me put down pulling on me also.
No, yes, if me and you beg that much, me not do that.
You not fi there for your dance and
No, me
pulling
not
on me.
do that, you. Me not do that. That fuck really. Man, if me ain't never friend, me fling you out your so. You a joke now, me. Tell me about dance.
Say I was there.
No, you can't tell me if you do that. You tell me if you go do that. No, man, you're mad, man. Tell me, snails, man. They tell me if you go wash my dirty clothes. Me not dance, bro.
Gyal session on Yambula with cheese. Bring out me flow, credit put on the plan. Let her run so me call up a flow. Gyal say me cheat and me reply slow. Gyal say she want Insta Netflix. So me tell her go buy a chicken and chips. Run down to Miss Maggie go get the key. Tell her